In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get to your form from the workspace, review its submissions, open the form itself, assign it to people, and copy a link you can share right away. Start by opening your Jotform workspace. This is the central hub where all your forms live. If you manage a lot of forms, the search bar or folders can help you find the right one faster. Once you see the form you want to work with, look for the More option on its card or row. This is usually the three-dot menu that reveals additional actions for that specific form. From the More menu, choose Submissions. This opens the form's submissions view in Jotform tables, where you can quickly confirm you're looking at the right form by checking the column names or any recent entries. Even if there are no responses yet, this page still confirms you've selected the correct form and puts you in the right context. Next, click the form to open it. This moves you from the submissions view into the form's main area, where you can access publishing and sharing options. Here, look for Assign Form. You'll typically find this within the Publish section. Clicking Assign Form takes you to the assignment page, which is designed for private sharing. Assigning a form is different from posting a public link. It lets you share the form directly with specific people and track who submitted what, which is great for teams, partners, or any workflow that needs accountability. Now click Copy Link. That places the assignment link on your clipboard instantly. You can paste it into an email, a team chat, or your project documentation. If your organization has specific access rules, take a moment to review the settings on this page to make sure the link behaves the way you expect, such as requiring a login or keeping responses tied to each assignee. That way, when you send the link, the right people can open it and you can monitor their submissions without any confusion. If you don't see a signed form, double check that you're in the correct form and that you have permission to manage it. A quick refresh of the page can also help bring up the latest options. And if you open submissions for the wrong form by accident, use the workspace to switch back and pick the correct one. That's it. You went to your workspace, opened submissions, accessed the form, selected Assign Form, and copied the shareable link. You're ready to share and track responses with confidence.